Alright, well, you know what? That's the pranks. We'll be back out of this one.
Oh, no, don't look out your front porch. Here comes a nerd in a sales suit. Oh, crap, it's the vacuum salesman guy. Na 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 na.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Oh,
man, I'm back.
Sam.
I've been doing some good stuff. I've got, this one right here.
Sort of a problem.
I'm doing really well. This is a great unit. It's a, I got a
client for years.
No, I've been trying with the clients. The client,
I'm afraid.
What?
If you're not going to be able to sell this vacuum, we're going to have to let you go.
I guarantee, man. I got today. I got it. No problem. I need to pay the bills. I got it.
Okay.
Baby. Make a sale. I will make a sale. Make a sale. This one looks good. This one looks good. Oh.
Can I help you?
Sir, I'm looking to sell a vacuum cleaner. You don't look like you need one. I'll try tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow.
You need to sell that vacuum.
Look like I need a vacuum in here.
You need to sell the vacuum. Good children.
I will sell you! I will sell you vacuum cleaner! I will! This is gonna happen. Oh yeah. Hi, how's it going? I'm Sam. I got I'm trying to sell this vacuum here. It's amazing.
What?
Can I show you a demonstration? Demonstrate. Here, I'll show you. It's right here. Right here.
Dude, I don't...
Watch, look at it. This stuff, it's amazing. I just need a plug-in. Can you plug this in? It's so amazing. Look at this plug-in.
I got a vacuum right there, dude.
Okay,
dude.
look. No. You see this right here?
There's a vacuum
This right here. You need the power of that right there. Look. I bet you spill stuff on your carpet all the time. Don't you? You spill stuff.
Dude.
You spill stuff on your carpet. You
Yeah,
spill stuff.
but
Watch, like this. Like the
vacuum right there.
Watch, see that? Do you see that? Watch. The power. The sheer power of the Hoover. Look at this. Look at this. Amazing power of the Hoover is due. Oh crap. Oh no. Well, the thing with that is that you need to. I'm gonna get going.
Dude,
I got a meeting. In Oklahoma. I gotta get to that. I'm sorry. Later.
What the hell is cigarettes, dude? Son of a bitch.
I can't do it. I did this last year, but I can't sell the vacuum. Why? No!
What will happen to the vacuum cleaner man? Will he die? Will he make it till the next season? Find out next time.
Oh, no, don't look out your front porch. Here comes a nerd in a sales suit. Oh, crap, it's the vacuum salesman guy. Na 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 na.
You know, nothing sucks more than that spot, Steve.
If you played it backwards, it would blow.
Oh.